Hello friends, Afaq Ahmed here. In this video, we will review Philips QT4001 trimmer. In this video, we will see pros, cons and whether this trimmer is best under 1000 or not. Philips QT4015 comes with fairly decent packaging on the lines of the other Philips trimmers. In the box, we get a user manual, warranty card, cleaning brush and charging adapter. The quality of charging adapter is really good. If you require more information about this video, you just watch my unboxing video ahead and comment if anything you need. So let's start unboxing. So I brought this Philips QT4001 15 trimmer on Flipkart. I have received this package within 2 days. On the second day I have got the delivery. Let's start unboxing this. First we will discuss about the design and comfort. On the design end, the Philips QT4001 looks very stylish with black and blue color combination. By the way, it looks almost the same as other Philips trimmers such as QT4003, QT4005. The only differences being the size and build quality. It's not only good looking but build quality is also good. And I think the build quality of this trimmer is quite good compared to other Nova and Siska trimmers in this price range. Thanks for Philips for using good quality ABS plastics. Now here you can see few points have been given on this box. So we will open this box now. One thing I like about this trimmer is that it's very slim, compact and lightweight. Weight only 110 grams and has an ergonomically designed grip. Here you will get few things with the Philips trimmer, that is introduction manual, then user manual is there. Yeah, this is the user manual. In different languages you will find the usability of this Philips trimmer basically. Okay, and let's see what else the Philips has given. Philips has given, I think so, the charger cord will be there. Yes, this is the charger, complete charger. The build quality of this charger is quite good and it is beautiful as well. The cycle time is 1.5 hours to get it completely charged, and one more brush is given. Here you go. The quality of the brush is also very good. Now let's open this box and open the trimmer. On this side they have given one cover. Yeah, let's open it. Wow, the build quality is really awesome. I'm really thankful to Philips for using such good quality plastic material. Yeah, and regarding the performance, when coming to the performance, I'm quite happy with Philips QT4001 because it comes with 10 different lens settings from 1 mm to 10 mm, which is ideal for daily use. But if you want to clean the shave with trim of 0.5 mm, you need to have you need to use this trimmer without its comb. However, it's little bit care while removing the putting of the comb, because if you accidentally break the comb while doing this, the trimmer may become virtually unusable. The best part is it gives a smooth and closer experience compared to other trimmers in this price tag. Just because of the good quality blade, you don't feel any burns and irritation while using Philips trimmer. Overall, the trimmer is skin friendly, so you can use on other body parts, other bits parts. It works very silently and with less vibration, so you can enjoy your shaving. Because the body of the trimmer is not waterproof, but the good thing is that the blade is easily detachable. so you can easily clean under the tap of water. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like it, just share it, subscribe my channel, and I will bring one more videos about few new things.